Okay, we're on the Southwest Chief here, going into Kansas City. I just basically left Lawrence about 5 minutes ago, so I'm basically in the observation car right now. I'm going to walk around just a little bit here. I'm going to take you downstairs to the observation car, so you can kind of see some of the stuff around here. It's totally dark. I'm sorry about that, but it kind of is what it is, you know. So I'm just going to kind of like do some walking around here, you know. Just walk one side, you can actually kind of see some of the stuff that's actually kind of in the observation car, and I'll take you back. Uh, Now the observation cars, they don't have the plug-ins and stuff like that, but you can see they got different seats, kind of different angles and stuff like that, so you can actually see out the windows. But it's dark out, so you can't really see all that well. Sorry about that. All right, we're in the dining car section right now. This is about 6 o'clock in the morning. It's still just a little bit early for breakfast, but you can kind of see how they have things set up here for their breakfast deal right here. Uh, Howdy, sir. Yeah, I don't know yet. You can see how they got things set up right here. They got your coffee and creamers and stuff like that. People are kind of curious when they're going to start serving breakfast.
Thank you.
And I'm going to go through the walkway here through. Now I'm going to take you downstairs here. This is the observation car again, just to show you some of the amenities down here, where they actually have the restrooms and the snack car. So just be all right. Ready? Here's a snack car down here. It's more seats down here for people to. Of course, you can see more seating over here for the people that actually eat something here. They do have like personal DiGiorno pizzas and like hot dogs you can actually get down here, plus the juices and stuff like that. We're going to go back upstairs here. All right. receptacle, so you can kind of keep things a little bit neater here. All right. Now we're going to go into the first compartment right here. This is not where I'm actually at, but I'll show you how, what the coach looks like here. Alright, there's kind of some of the amenities I got. You got your power outlets here. You can see that there's plenty of amp feet rest right here. And that's really just about all there really is for the Southwest Chief as far as the dining room and stuff like that. So I'm just going to stop this for now, and I'm going to get back to my seat so I can finish off and actually enjoy the rest of my trip, which is only going to last about another 30 minutes. I thank you, and we'll talk again. Bye-bye.